How would you like to have an instant, ready to deploy business that can make money on places like Amazon, Etsy, and other websites? If that sounds really, really cool to you, stay with me. I think you're really going to love what I have to tell you in my review of Printables Prompts Empire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I know it's the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can phone successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead. Yeah, I tell the same stale jokes day in and day out. Even now that I had my little brush with death, so to speak, and was in the hospital for a few weeks, and I know I haven't posted for a few days because I was in recovery, not feeling that well, feeling better now, thank goodness. But I still tell the same jokes, so go figure. I haven't learned. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? It might express very, very simple to make sure that you don't buy a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, you know what? I admit it. I tell the same stale jokes. But you have Simpsons money. You got to get a new line. Seriously. New line, Bart. We put chicken chip in for this guy and get him a new line. I mean, for years now, he's been doing the same thing over and over again. It's boring, Bart. Really, boring. But seriously, the way these work here, if I like your product, I will give a tip. My hands product great. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here about my mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz. I mean, I see Liz, she is such a sweetheart, and yeah, she's been my fellow New Yorker. I now live in Western Pennsylvania. I love it here. But you know what? She's still a sweetheart. I can't get angry at this lady. Hey, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so look right now at the sales page for Printables Prompts Empire. This is from my friend Alessandro Zamboni. Now, what I love about Alessandro is that he takes like some of the latest technology, all these AI things, and in this case, it's all about ChatGPT. And what he does basically is that he tries to put together something that you can use to actually start making money without basically kind of like doing a circular kind of thing. A lot of times when you see these make money online products, basically it's kind of circular. They're teaching you how to make money by teaching other people how to make money. You're going to teach other people how to make money, or teach other people how to make money. No, nobody's actually making any money from selling anything real. All they're doing is teaching you, how to get other people into making money online. And that's kind of pointless. Alessandro actually believes in creating real products that actual people want to buy and that they will pay for. Now, in this particular case, what Alessandro has done is put together a list of 280 different ChatGPT prompts that you can actually go ahead and take and turn into actual products that can be sold on places like Etsy or Amazon, Amazon Kindle. Now, of course, there's a few things that I want to add on because after all, whenever I promote anything, that I'm always going to make sure that I'm going to give you way more value than you're getting just from the basic product. So first and foremost, you can see here that Alessandro actually has a pretty nice mock-up here that he created. He's not going to show you how to make that mock-up though. I will. I'm going to show you how to do it for free, and it's going to take you about 90 seconds to do. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use 3 different tools, completely free tools, to create this a mock-up just like this. That's going to look great. It'll take you about 60 to 90 seconds to make it. I'm going to show you step by step in an over my shoulder video exactly what to do with completely free tools, and you're just going to make the mock-up. And this is going to be able to make it so much easier for you to actually sell these products that you're going to create, because you're going to have everything already done for you. But of course, I'm not done yet. The other thing I want to do for you is like this. I want to take away some of the competition from you. Now, Alessandro, as I said, is going to recommend that you sell on places like Etsy or places like Amazon, Kindle, which is great. But you know what? There's so many other places that you can sell these kinds of things on. How about if I give you my exclusive list of over 30 different marketplaces that you can actually sell these kinds of products on? I've actually, by the way, updated my list with a few additional places that I've never given away before, that I think you're going to find that these are brand new places that you wouldn't have even thought to do these kinds of things. But yeah, you can actually go ahead and use these additional places. So I know I've given that list away before. I've actually added a few more new places to the list that I've never done before. These are brand new just for this launch that I've just added on. So basically the idea is I want to give you a complete business in a box where you can literally, in about 5 to 10 minutes, have a product ready to sell. You can keep cranking them out over and over and over again and get them out onto a lot of different marketplaces, including brand new ones that I'm going to give you, that you're not going to have access to. Even if you've gotten my bonuses before, you won't have access to these particular marketplaces. A few places I found recently that I haven't given away before. So let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick so you can see exactly what's here. So he's going to give you a video explaining exactly how to use these prompts, and then you're going to click here. He's going to have a Google Doc with all 280 prompts available for you to actually go ahead and check out and be able to use. So it's very, very easy to be able to do everything here. He also has printable treasures. This is just another bonus that he's going to give you, but of course you're going to get the bonus from me by accessing it through Warrior Plus. Okay, so I'm actually not going to show you the actual prompts because I don't want to give that away. You can see a few, by the way, right here on the sales page. He's going to show you a few samples. So check out over here. You can see these are just 7 of the 280 prompts that he's going to give you that are going to work with ChatGPT completely for free, be able to create content for you that you're going to be able to turn around and actually sell on all of these different marketplaces, including several that I've just added on. So yeah, so let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you demand. This is awesome because I love when you can put together something that you're going to be able to actually go ahead and sell a real product. And it's something you can literally do in 5 or 10 minutes. Crank these out over the weekend, a few at a time. Keep putting them out. Once they're up, you can sell them forever, and you can keep making new ones endlessly, because every time you run into through ChatGPT, it's going to give you different ideas. It's not going to give you the same thing over and over again. So you literally will never run out of materials. You can have hundreds upon hundreds of these up for sale and start making real money on a recurring basis from them. From something that you're going to do in your spare time. That is so cool. This is the kind of stuff I really, really love, because this is the sort of thing that's going to be long-term to make you money, as opposed to the short-term stuff that you're simply not going to be making money off of something short-term, because, you know, everybody gets, you know, the trick and then they start moving on to something else. Go for something long-term. This is going to make you money. This is great. You're going to love this.